lalu Intan pergi bersantai, pergi bersama teman dan rakan. Sayur pecah kegemaran ramai menjadi hidangan sepanjang zaman.
Seminggu sekali pergi ke pekan menaiki kereta. Rasanya lazat, enak dimakan. Itulah pukulan pecel kita.
As you guys know, today we are going to make pecel.
Yay!
Okay. Pecel consists of 80% of fiber and
20% of fabulous.
So, first we have egg, second we have some tempe, third we have some tauhu, and
Kakak! It's a snake!
Zaid. Well, you're actually right. This is a snake.
What?
But don't worry, not the venomous snake in the zoo, but the snake beans. Kalau dalam bahasa Melayu, kacang panjang. Okay. Back over here, we have some snake beans, we have some bean sprouts, we have water spinach, and we have some tapioca shoots.
Okay, enough of the ingredients. Let's start cooking.
Sure.
But wait, can I help you with anything?
Actually, you can help me with something. You can help me present it over there while I'll do the cooking. Zaid, do you perhaps know the benefits of fiber?
Well, Ustaz Farid told me a little bit about the benefits of fiber. Well, why don't you tell what your teacher have told you?
Okay, so fiber actually helps you with your digestive system. Tak adalah awak sakit perut ke apa kan, tak adalah berjam-jam dekat toilet tu. Also, do not eat fiber just once a week. That won't help you at all. You have to eat at least every week or every day. Now, if you do that, the effects will actually show. Now, why don't you tell me, Zai, what your science teacher told you?
Well, Ustaz Farid told me that if our cholesterol levels are too high, it can clog up our blood vessels. It can cause a heart attack or even a stroke. And Ustaz Farid even told me about our blood sugar levels. Well, as you guys know, I'm sweet, especially for the girls.
I'll admit, you're quite sweet, but let's get to reality, you're not that good with girls. Well, anyways, enough fiber for your body. It doesn't make your weight go too low or too high. It makes you, a healthy weight, a perfect weight for your body. And that's quite it. Okay, so we're done cooking, dah siap celur sayur semua. Okay, now jom kita assemble. Zaid, cuba tekan kat belakang kakak ada apa?
Is it a glove?
No, it's not glove, but it's glove.
Ta-da!
Now this is what we call a pecel. Okay guys, it's good. Okay, don't forget to try the recipe. Don't forget to try the recipe over there, okay? Don't forget to try. If you vote for green, comment down fiber down on the comments below, okay?
Please.
Bye, thank you.
See you.
See you on Sports Day.
Go!